Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. Guys, even experts believe that XRP is the greatest opportunity for generational wealth. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, for those of us that have been in this XRP ecosystem for any decent amount of time at all, we have all believed that this investment represents one of the greatest financial opportunities that we have seen in our lifetimes. And of course, that is only our opinions, but guys, we're not alone in holding it. In fact, there are some big time financial experts that believe it represents the opportunity of a generation. Now, just check this article out right over here. Wall Street expert agrees XRP is the greatest opportunity for generational wealth. Listen to this right down here. A Wall Street analyst endorses a statement suggesting that XRP is among the greatest opportunities for investors to build generational wealth. Notably, the sentiment was originally shared by Digital G, a market commentator, amid the ongoing market turbulence. For context, XRP has been a victim of the latest market correction, which wiped out over 1.7 billion guys in leveraged positions from nearly 584,000 traders. And guys, this is one reason why I'm always out there talking about, hey, you don't even need to be leveraging your positions in XRP to enjoy the benefits. I mean, come on. We're looking at an asset right now that has the potential to do hundreds, if not thousands of percentage gains, which we've already seen. I mean, we are up, 433% from where it was back there on election day, and we've seen major moves. Why, oh why would you take on that additional risk? 584,000 traders and having your entire positions literally worth 1.7 billion totality for these people being totally wiped out leveraging. Guys, to me, it is just not worth it. Now, data suggests that XRP faced one of the worst sell-off campaigns for any cryptocurrency, especially on Coinbase. This triggered a massive 14.87 price collapse on Monday, with the altcoin closing the day at the lower end of the $2 price region. Well, listen to this here. Amid these troubles, XRP has shown impressive resilience, which has helped to maintain optimism around it. As confidence in its potential prevails, Digital G, who was a regulated fund manager in the UK, recently pointed out the importance of an investment in XRP. And guys, we have literally saw it bounce. Didn't we see it bounce from $1.90 up to $2.43 within a 24-hour period? A 53-cent move. Wow. Just with some amazing news. Now, he admitted that XRP represents one of the greatest opportunities for any investor to secure generational wealth. Moreover, he believes the two other cryptocurrencies with such potential are Stellar, XLM, an XRP rival, but I would actually say more like a sibling if you ask me. I think XRP and XLM work hand in glove, you know what I mean? And XDC, which is Zinfin Network. Interesting, Wall Street analyst Linda P. Jones, a vocal XRP proponent, agreed with the commentary. According to her, she authored a book on the assets and how such investments could help investors build life-changing wealth. The Wealth Mentor was possibly referring to her bestseller, 3 Steps to Quantum Wealth. And listen to this right here. I agree with this statement so much. Now, I've met Linda P. Jones. I met her at XRP Vegas last year. Stopped by, had a little chat with her. We got a picture together. It was actually great. One of the most brilliant ladies I have ever spoken to in this space. And she's saying, I agree with this statement so much. I wrote a book about them and the life-changing wealth building opportunity. And here's Digital G. As a former regulated fund manager based in the City of London, I will concede that investing in XRP XLM and XDC is currently the greatest opportunity for gaining generational wealth than any other investment opportunities I have ever encountered in my entire lengthy career. Well, that is one significant statement from an expert who was a regulated fund manager in one of the biggest financial capitals of the wide world, London. Now, interestingly, all three assets focus on helping retail and institutions carry out efficient cross-border payments and financial transactions by providing fast, low-cost, and scalable solutions for transferring value. Well, why would you think? Well, I'll tell you what, guys, that to me shows you it is solving one of the world's greatest problems out there, the liquidity issue. And look, our ability to communicate has far surpassed our ability to travel and certainly has outdone this antiquated SWIFT system where we're using to transfer value. When you're thinking of the internet of value, you're talking real time. We need real-time solutions. XRP certainly solves that by eliminating the nostro-vostro accounts, the ours, yours accounts that a lot of these banks are holding trillions of dollars globally tied up to provide liquidity for these cross-border transactions when you can literally use on-demand liquidity and not just sending the message, but the value at the same time. Of course, it is going to be revolutionary, and institutions are gobbling it up like crazy. Now, Digital G's sentiment is possibly due to the fact that these cryptocurrencies, especially XRP, have ecosystems looking to solve, there you are, real-world problems in finance, such as remittances and settlements, and have partnerships, guys, by the way, where all these people, they say, oh, XRP doesn't, they have partnerships with banks, governments, enterprises, you name it. In fact, Ripple is out there working with central banks, sovereign nation states to develop literally the evolution of their money by installing the rails for their CBDCs. Phenomenal. And you got Ripple with Hedera Hashgraph working together to onboard and bring institutional players into compliance with the MiCA rules in the EU. It is no small wonder that we are going to see some amazing action coming out of these assets and these ecosystems. I think it's going to blow most people totally away. Now, while they underperformed in previous years, their recent price action confirms the potential for growth. For instance, XRP is up by more than 303% since November, while XLM has gained 448%, and also XDC has skyrocketed 175% in the same time frame. Guys, you could wait lifetimes to see those kind of gains in traditional markets, couldn't you? And here we are. This is why I genuinely believe that the assets are going to represent the greatest wealth transfer in the history of mankind. How many times have I ever said that? Lots. That is my personal conviction. This is where I always say, you got to get out there and really research it for yourself. And do not take my word for it or any of these experts' word for it. You go get these answers for yourself, and I think your eyes are going to be open pretty wide when you do. Now, as a result, several market analysts have presented lofty targets for these tokens. Recently, market analyst eGreg argued that XRP was following Tesla's 2018 trajectory, forecasting a 50% dump before a 3,500% uptick above $40. Meanwhile, last month, Charting Guy, a market commenter, called attention to a bullish price structure on the 1-month XLM chart, which he believes could lead to a rally to $5. Now, earlier this month, Jab and Mark set a breakout target of 18.14 cents for XDC. Guys, it is really wild when you consider the opportunity that is presented by these emerging technologies. I think we are just scratching the surface. Now check this out right over here. XRP price exploded 20% to that $2.43 after Ripple received the RLUSD stablecoin approval. And what really blows me away, it had dropped to $1.90 the day before. How many people do you think capitulated in that drop right there, getting all spooked out about their investment, thinking, oh my goodness, we're going to lose the opportunity to capitalize on the gains that we have seen, only for one day later for it to bounce right back 53 cents. Totally wild. Now, Crypto chain trader Don Alt highlighted XRP's centralized structure as potential advantage in the new regulatory market landscape. While XRP is actually quite decentralized when you think of the nodes and how the XRP network works. Now, do they work with banks and institutions? Yes, they do. The same way, I guess, Bitcoin is now being traded among all these major Wall Street banks as ETFs. Does that mean that Bitcoin in and of itself is now centralized? Not in the way the network works and the transactions happen. Those are all decentralized. Now, Ripple's NYDFS approval boosts confidence in XRP, cementing its utility within Ripple's ecosystem and beyond. Ripple's native token has skyrocketed at 20% over the last 24 hours, trading at $2.43, significantly outpacing Bitcoin's 5% rise to $100,500. The rally comes after Ripple Labs secured approval from the New York Department of Financial Services for its RLUSD stablecoin on Tuesday, marking a pivotal step in Ripple's expansion into the burgeoning stablecoin market. And guys, you want to hear my commentary on that? Listen to my coffee chat this morning, because I genuinely do believe that RLUSD is going to surpass USDT for market cap in the stablecoin market, and especially because USDT cannot even come into compliance with the micro rules, and a lot of exchanges overseas are delisting it. Isn't it interesting? It's at the same time RLUSD gets its approval. Nothing in this space, guys, in my mind, is a coincidence. Now, Ripple's RLUSD pegged to the US dollar has been heralded as a game changer for the company, with CEO Brad Garlinghouse confirming the approval on X. When RLUSD is live, you'll hear it from Ripple first. Big time importance there, guys, indicating that exchanges and partner listings for the stablecoin are imminent. Now, why is that important? Because, guys, there's going to be a lot of scammers out there that are going to try and sell you RLUSD that doesn't even exist. Wait till it comes out. I don't think it's going to be too long, and I think it's going to be on a multiplicity of exchanges. Now, something to really pay attention to is this right here. XRP whales are betting big. Do you know something? Do they know, something that you don't? Guys, check this out. Whales are buying and like crazy. XRP's recent price correction sparked a frenzy among large-scale investors, with whales seizing the opportunity to accumulate massive amounts of the token. Listen to this. On December 11th, renowned crypto and on-chain analyst Ali Martinez revealed that XRP whales had purchased, get this, over 100 million tokens during the dip. So they paid almost 200 million for it. Guys, while they were shaking you out, and people were capitulating, trying to shake us out of our positions when it was dropping to $1.90. These whales went out there and put $200 million more on the line, gobbling up 100 million tokens. Do you think that they're scared of what's going to happen with this ecosystem down the road? Not in your life, guys. What do they know that you don't? My guess is, guys, they're looking down the road and they're seeing, hey, we see adoption, we see institutions, we see regulatory clarity. Hey, we see the future here, and we're willing to bet that we're going to see generational wealth come about of it, just like this expert on Wall Street and over here has to say. Guys, I genuinely believe it. Now, in the recent dip, whales bought over 100 million XRP, Martinez noted, highlighting how major investors stepped in just as retail traders, get this, were selling off. Guys, why feed the whales? You're like chum to the whales. When the blood is on the streets, they're underneath there just gobbling it up like crazy. Why? Because they know it's genuine value. Now listen to this right down here. In a recent dip, whales, and there it is. There's the chart right there. XRP's price, which briefly dipped below $2 to touch $1.92. I think it went as low as $1.90, has since rebounded to $2.38. Now, at the time of this writing that they did that, I think it went up as high as $2.43, and it's around that $2.38, $2.36 right now, reflecting a 7.2% increase in the last 24 hours. The token's market cap currently stands at $136.22 billion within a 24-hour trading volume of $24.11 billion, up 13.54%. Guys, do you think that's retail? Do you really believe that? No, guys, it isn't. That's institutional money right there. Blockchain data underscores this significant whale activity. According to Whale Alert, Ripple transferred a staggering 200 million of XRP, worth approximately 463 million, to an unknown wallet, further fueling speculation about strategic accumulation. Data from Crypto Quant also confirms that whales have moved 2.66 billion XRP to Binance in the last 30 days, with the surge in whale activity the largest since April of 2024, when a similar volume of 2.8 billion XRP was transferred to exchanges. The rapid buy-up of XRP following the recent sell-off reflects bullish sentiment among institutional investors. Don't let these fuzzers tell you that institutions aren't buying, because that's the furthest thing from the truth. Institutions are what are moving these markets, and large holders. It suggests that major players are positioning themselves ahead of anticipated developments, guys, right there. That tells you major moves, things happening, regulatory clarity, a positive framework for this space going into this new administration. You can put whatever you want into these anticipated developments, but there are things afoot, that's for sure, such as now potential Ripple IPO and the launch of a Ripple-backed stablecoin, which you know has already gotten approved and it's coming. Several factors are contributing to its surge in interest. XRP's recent legal clarity, thanks to a landmark ruling that declared it not to be a security, has removed a significant regulatory cloud hanging over Ripple. Additionally, with the likelihood of a more crypto-friendly U.S. administration, totally agree with that, taking office, market optimism for assets like XRP is surging big time. While whale accumulation and favorable macro conditions paint a bullish picture, XRP's price remains volatile. Well, that's because, guys, we're in one of the best asset classes with the biggest, opportunities in my estimation, and the same volatility that drove it down is what the same volatility that drives it up. And this is where you really need to have your thinking cap on, have done your research, have built up your own confidence, and not basing it on somebody else's, because, guys, it happens so fast. Now, the token is currently trading above the critical $2.23 support level, with a psychological resistance level at $3 in sight should XRP manage to break past the $2.94 range. And guys, I think it is going to be absolutely stupendous what we could potentially see in this space. And yep, these whales are betting big, to be sure. And we're watching this price exploding just on the news of RLUSD. We'll wait till RLUSD gets absolutely implemented. And you're watching it as a trading pair and automated market makers, liquidity pools, being on these exchanges and all that, guys, I think is going to be something else. And yep, I think we're going to hear a lot more of these experts coming out and agreeing that XRP is the greatest opportunity for generational wealth. And guys, in my estimation, you do not want to miss it. Get out there, do your research, come to your own conclusions. For Judy and I love to say it, we've got that ticket. We cannot wait. We are buckled in and we're ready to ride this thing right through the atmosphere. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.